Bulaga, welcome to my channel, guys. For the third quarterly test, so we will start with system of linear inequalities. Then after that, we will also discuss today about system of equations. I will write here the question. To start with, we will use 4x plus 5y less than or equals to 10. So we will change the inequality to equal sign. We will find first the boundary line. 4x plus 5y equals 10. Then we will write this equation 4x plus 5y equals 10 in the form of slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So we need to remove 4x. Either you can apply transposition method, or subtracting both sides by negative 4x. So the result will be 5y equals negative 4x plus 10. So simply we transpose 4x. So it became now negative 4x. And then to remove 5, we will divide it by 5 both sides. So divide by 5, divide by 5. Cancel this, it will become 1, then y equals negative 4 over 5x plus 2. And then after that, we are going to draw the graph of this equation. So we will draw the Cartesian plane. So we have the y-axis, then the x-axis. So the slope is equals to negative 4 over 5. Then the y-intercept is 2. So the point now here will be 0, 2. So we will start our graph here in the y-intercept. So 0, 2, 1, 2. So 0, 2 is here. And then the slope is negative 4 over 5. Since it's negative, it means negative 4 units downward from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units downward. Negative 4. So we have got the numerator here. Then 5 units going to the right. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately here. Then after that, we are going to connect the points. So in connecting the 2 points, you are going to go back to the original inequality. Since less than or equal, you are going to use solid line. So this is now the graph of this. 4x plus 5y less than or equals to 10. But we will find the solutions. To find the solutions, this is the boundary line. So we call this the boundary line. Boundary line. Then to find the solution, we are going to pick one point. Okay? So I will choose this point. This is below the boundary line. So the coordinate of this is 0, 0. So I will replace it here. If x equals 0, so it will become now 4 times 0 plus 5 times 0 less than or equals to 10. So 4 times 0 is 0 plus 5 times 0 is 0. So 0 less than or equals to 10. What can you say about the statement? Is that true or false? 0 less than or equals to 10. So this is true statement. So meaning, since this is true, we will, all the points here below the boundary line are solutions of this inequality. So the inequality here is 4x plus 5y less than or equals to 10. So all the points here, solution. But we have another inequality here. Because this is a system, so we have two inequalities. So let us solve again. X minus y here. X minus y greater than 6. So we will change greater than to equal sign. Then, again, we will use this formula, y equals mx plus b. So the equation now will become negative y equals negative x plus 6. So I just transpose positive x. So it became now negative x. So divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. So y equals x minus 6. So m equals 1, b equals negative 6. So the point will be 0, negative 6. Now, let us plot these points, 0, negative 6. Again, I will use this, the same graph. 0, negative 6. So this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. So 0, negative 6 is here. 0, negative 6. And then, the slope is 1. 1 unit up, going up, then 1 unit run. So somewhere here. So this is now, we will connect. But again, go back here. This is greater than. So the line will be dashed line. So this is the graph. So dashed line. Okay, now let's shade. This is the boundary line of this inequality. So to find the solution, again, I am going to use 0, 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. So 0 is greater than 6. So I will substitute 0 minus 0 greater than 6. So 0 greater than 6. So this is false statement. So you will not shade here. Instead, you will shade the opposite side of the boundary line here. So this is now the shaded part. All the points occupying this are solutions of this inequality. So let us pick one point. So this is 3, negative 4. The question, what is the solution of the system of inequalities? For x plus 5y less than or equals to 10, x minus y greater than 6. Let's try 3, negative 4 as the answer here. 3, negative 4. But aside from this, there's a lot of possible answers. Not only 3, negative 4. But let us check 3, negative 4. Let us substitute here. 4 times 3 plus 5 times negative 4 less than or equals to 10. So we have 12 plus negative 20 less than or equals to 10. So 12 plus negative 20 is negative 8 less than or equals to 10. So this is true statement. So meaning this is correct. How about here? The x, this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Then 3 minus negative 4 greater than 6. Negative, negative, it will change to positive. So 3 plus 4 greater than 6. So 7 greater than 6. So the answer is true again. So which means 3, negative 4 is one of the solution of these inequalities.
Here is the graph of the system of linear inequalities. The overlapping colors are the solutions of the system.
Bulaga! Okay, question number 2, guys. So this is about the system of linear equation. So 2 variables. Question number 2. So this is the given system of equations. So to solve this, you can choose either of the different method. We have elimination method, we have substitution method. So you can apply it here. So for me, I will use elimination method to find the solution of this system of equations. So if you are going to use elimination method, see to it that the numerical coefficient of one of the variable is the same. We will multiply equation 2 by 6 to eliminate the y. Multiply this by 6. So copy equation 1. We have 5x plus 6y equals 10. 6 times 3x equals 18x. 6 times negative y equals negative 6y. 6 times 6 equals 36. So look at this. So the numerical coefficient of y, we have 6, then negative 6. So we can, to eliminate this, we can use addition. 5x plus 18x equals 23x. Then positive 6y plus negative 6y will become 0. And then equals 10 plus 36 is equals to 46. Then 23x equals 46. Divide both sides by 23. Cancel the 23, x is equals to 2. So this is now the value of x. To find the value of y, choose either of the two equations. So I will choose this second equation. 3x minus y equals 6. Then we will substitute the value of x here. 3 times 2 minus y equals 6. So 6 minus y equals 6. Negative y equals 6 minus 6. So I just transpose 6 here. So I change the sign, so it will become minus. Then negative y equals 0. Divide by negative 1 both sides. So y is equals to 0. So therefore, the solution set of these linear equations is 2, 0. So this is now the solution set.
Here is the graph of system of linear equation. The solutions of the system is 2, 0.
Okay guys, that's all for today's video. We have only 2 questions. Number 1, system of linear inequalities. And then number 2 is system of linear equations. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to everyone. Bye.